Replacing your Renault key fob battery is a simple DIY task. First, gather your tools: a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. To open the fob, gently pry along the seam near the keyring attachment using your tool to avoid scratches. For older Laguna models, remove the metal key blade first. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting its orientation, and replace it with the new one. Ensure it's correctly seated. Wear gloves to avoid corrosion. Voltage mismatches can cause failures, so always use exact CR2032 replacements. After replacing the battery, your Renault key fob may need reprogramming to resync with the car's immobilizer system. For Clio models 4 and V, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to position 2, which is the accessories position. Press the lock button on the key fob for 10 seconds, then cycle the ignition off and back on to confirm the reprogramming. For Scénic models, follow a similar process, but you may need to use the unlock button instead of the lock button. For older Laguna models, you might need a diagnostic tool or visit a dealer for full reprogramming. Always test your key fob outdoors to prevent accidental lockouts while reprogramming. Also, be aware that cheap batteries can leak, corrode the internal components, and damage your key fob. If reprogramming issues persist, consult your vehicle's manual or a professional mechanic.